Hello, my name is Rick Ryan. I'm a part-time student at Pace University. As part of my emerging broadband technology course, I'm going to give a short video on IPTV. The title of my project is Why IPTV? The world is on the verge of a major technological revolution, the likes of the internet and broadcast TV at its start. Not since color TV has any changes really been made to the entertainment media that we have come to know, love, and rely on for our information. Over the last decade, the growth of satellite service, the rise of digital cable, and the birth of high-definition TV have all left their mark on the television landscape. Now a new delivery method threatens to shake things up even more powerfully. Internet Protocol Television, or IPTV, has arrived, and backed by the deep pockets of many in the industry, it's poised to offer more interactivity and bring a hefty dose of competition to the business of selling TV. IPTV describes a system capable of receiving and displaying a video stream encoded as a series of Internet Protocol packets. If you've ever watched a video clip on your computer, I'm sure most of you have, you've used an IPTV system in its broadest sense. When most people discuss IPTV, though, they're talking about watching traditional channels on your television, in your living room, on your couch, where people demand a smooth, high-resolution, lag-free picture, not like the one you've seen on your computer. Well, let's look at some of the basic differences between TV as we have known it and IPTV. To begin with, the standard TV is a unidirectional system, as opposed to IPTV's bidirectional system. Due to the nature of how broadcast TV is transmitted, it has limitations to a relatively small geographical area. IPTV has the ability to be a global program, since the Internet itself is based solely on the IP protocol. Traditional TV broadcasts all channels at the same time using maximum bandwidth. IPTV is a switch channel technology, in which only the channels the user calls for is broadcasted. Traditional technology is mostly used as a broadcast media. With the exception of devices such as TiVo, there is very little interaction with the broadcast. We only see what is being delivered to us at the time it is scheduled to be delivered by the provider. This kind of fixed us into what we can watch when they want us to watch it. The biggest difference and the point that separates IPTV from traditional TV is the interactive ability of IPTV. Now a user watches what he or she wants to watch at the time and day they want to watch it. The end user will not be guided by a broadcaster's schedule. The end user will make up their own individual interactive guided programming. Programming is not the only interactive activity with IPTV, though. Some of the new features with IPTV will be as follows: personalized advertising, click-to-purchase advertising, mouse-based interfaces, customizable channel lineups, multimedia interactive program guides, and the ability to alert a customer of upcoming favorite shows or caller ID and instant messaging right on their TV screens. But first we're going to take a look at some of the advertising, because it's a big part of TV as we all know it. Advertisers will now be able to target their audiences based on the viewer's likes and dislikes. They will be better able to present to the users ads they will more likely respond to. In addition, the user will be able to purchase items directly from the set using only their remote, similar to the way people purchase items online right now. Mouse-based interfaces. At any point in a program, a user with the help of a mouse might be able to call up information on the program in progress. Possibly in the middle of a race, bring up driver stats. What type of car is he driving? And how many wins has he had? Might come in handy for a bet. Alerts of every kind. The ability to alert a customer of upcoming favorite TV shows? Or how about caller ID? Start of a new program? Or my daughter might be in favor of possible instant messaging. One of my favorite things with IPTV, though, is setting camera angles for sporting events. Imagine choosing any camera angle on any sporting events through the use of IPTV. Such as amazing techniques may be available. Where there is a camera, you may be able to review it from the comfort of your own chair. IPTV is not just a different way to deliver TV, as you can see. It is, of course, also that. But it has the potential to be the basis of a completely new suite of services. In addition to the ones I've highlighted, it could include the following as well as much more. Remote DV programming, instant channel changing, localized and individual reports on weather, traffic, etc. Video on demand, multimedia interactive program guides, tuneless picture-in-picture functionality, photos shared from a network computer and played back through the TV, digital video recorder functionality on multiple sets, not just one, multimedia and interactive video, sharing family videos, 3D gaming, the list goes on. If IPTV was simply a way for telcos and other companies to enter the video delivery game, it would be an attractive service. Just for the increased competition, a recent FCC study showed that cable rates increased at more than 3.5 times the rate of inflation between 1998 and 2003. But in the few places where cable faces competition from another wireline provider, prices are substantially lower than the average. The increased competition will no doubt drive prices down further. Apart from the effects of the competitive landscape, though, IPTV, as you can see, has the potential to deliver more interactivity than cable. I hope I gave you some insights as to why IPTV. It is an exciting time we are in today with the evolution of television, and I for one cannot wait to see the changes that await. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed.